Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to reset Crunchyroll password. So first you need to open your Crunchyroll app and click on login. Now you need to write the email and your password here. So as you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password and enter your email and click on send a reset link. So then it will send a reset link in your Gmail. Go ahead and check that. So Crunchyroll has sent me an email. Now you just need to click here to get to the link. And so now basically you will need to write your new password and retype your new password in order to reset your Crunchyroll password. And that's it. That's simple to reset your. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.